cuts the cord in your family? Have you ever assembled a chicken in public? It's always funny when we translate expressions literally from one language to another. In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 expressions that we use very often in Spanish so you can sound more like a native. Here's the first one. Tener pocas luces. To have few lights. We use it when we talk about someone who's not very bright. I believe in English, it will roughly translate to someone who's not the sharpest tool in the shed. For example, ¿Qué pocas luces tiene tu amigo? Your friend is really not very bright. You can also say, tu amigo no tiene muchas luces. Same meaning. Tener pocas luces o no tener muchas luces. Listen to this second expression. Me importa un pepino. Me importa un pepino. It matters a cucumber to me. I don't care. This is a very informal expression, but it's not very rude. It's a more polite way of saying, I don't give a shit. We have the exact equivalent to that one in Spanish, but I'm not going to teach it to you. So if you want to say that something doesn't matter, if you don't give a cucumber about something, just say, me importa un pepino. Look at this example. A tu jefe no le va a gustar que salgas 5 minutos antes. Your boss is not going to like that you leave 5 minutes earlier. Well, me importa un pepino. Here's another one. This one's very funny. Montar un pollo. To assemble a chicken. It means something in between making a big fuss over something and making a big scene in public. Tu madre te va a montar un pollo si se entera de que has dejado la universidad. Your mom is going to assemble a chicken. She's going to be very mad. She's going to make a big fuss and probably a big scene if you are in public if she hears that you dropped out of school. Montar un pollo. I know what you're thinking. So why are we talking about chickens? Well, in the origin, montar un pollo was written with a Y. Pollo with a Y, which meant something like a podium, comes from Latin. But over time, we started reading it with a double L, and now pollo, it means chicken. Here's one that we use a lot. Ir al grano. Go to the grain. It means get to the point, cut to the chase. No tenemos mucho tiempo, así que voy a ir al grano. We don't have much time, so I'm gonna cut to the chase. I'm gonna get to the point. And the last one is my favorite. Cortar el bacalao. To cut the cod. La persona que corta el bacalao. The person who cuts the cod. The person who makes all the important decisions. Who's in charge. El señor Pérez es el dueño, pero la que corta el bacalao es su mujer. Mr. Pérez is the owner, but the one who cuts the cod, who makes all the important decisions, is his wife. Have you heard any of these expressions before? Now you can start using them and sound more like a native. Let me know about some other funny expressions in your language and translate them in the comments so we can all have a good laugh. I will see you in the next one.